Hello everybody, it's Korey Langford, and I'm going to show you some of the things we've been doing in the past 8 weeks for technology planning and administration. So, as usual, I have all my things listed under stuff, and we're going to go to stuff. And here's some of the things we've been up to. The first things I'd like to point you to are some of the video things that I've been working on. The first thing we worked on was SAMR and TPAC. Learning about TPAC and SAMR opened a new understanding of creating technology-rich lessons. While creating this presentation, I realized this was a starting point for me to try and create change in my school. I have since been sharing these frameworks with anyone that wants to know more about integrating technology into these lessons. The other video thing that I've been working on is my plan for instructional change. Being asked to create change in an organization is a rewarding and overwhelming opportunity. It is rewarding because being asked by an organization to create a plan that will help improve a process or change a mindset is validation. You want to make the world a better place. The opportunity to create change is also overwhelming because you must think about all the contact points the change will have. You have to be able to think through all the potential issues and have plans for those. This project was challenging at first, but I enjoyed creating something I believe will improve education. And then finally, the last thing that I worked on was something that was the written stuff. If you scroll down to the bottom, I have my online professional learning network. Education has benefited significantly from social media and other digital media outlets. The great thing about being in the field of education is everyone is always willing to share ideas, new products, and anything that will make the classroom easier or more productive. It was hard to narrow down a small list of resources, but searching for new people and businesses to follow for educational technology was exciting. Those are the 3 things that I've been working on this last 8 weeks for technology planning and administration. Thank you for watching.